Hello everyone, this is Dr. Chung. This is test 2, module 2, okay, in the book. Okay, so this time we're gonna do only even number questions, okay? All right, today's even number code here. So SAT is simply, okay, very simple and easy questions, okay? All right, so number 2 here. Just make underline, okay? Some constraint over here, okay? So speed of 25 per hour, right? That's just cycles. The other is jog setter speed 5 miles per hour. C cycles, C hours. This is a per hour, 25 miles. C hours, 25 times C, okay? We have only 125 times C over here. That might be the answer, right? Okay, the next one is what? Continue. 5 miles for J hours. So 5 times J, right? That is distance for the white jogs, okay? So 5J, total is 24. Choice D is the answer, okay? Here is number 4. So exponent operations, a squared times b to the negative 3, and times this is power is multiplication. So you multiply a to the negative 1 times 2 is the negative 2, b to the 5 times 2 is the 10. So we have like terms here, okay? A to the 2 minus 2 is 0. B to the negative 3 plus 10 is 7. It's going to be equals to B to the 7 is the answer, okay? That's number 4. Go to number 6. This is very easy questions. The median is in the middle number, okay? Maybe you can cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, this is the middle, okay? So median only one number. So we're going to take an average of this number, okay? 60 plus 63 over 2, okay? 61.5 is the median number, okay? So number 8. When you have this type of questions, take a look here. X minus y, or x plus y, or 2x plus 2y, or 2x minus 2y. Okay, same coefficient, 1 and 1, okay? This is 1x, 1y. Just try to add or subtract, but we're going to try to add. 5x minus 3x is 2x. Minus 6y plus 4y is minus 2y equals to 14. Probably we can find what these terms, x minus y, okay, 2 is going out, x minus y equals 7. Can you see that? Okay, sorry, this is 14. After that, you can divide by 2, okay? So x minus y equals 7, okay? Actually, you don't have to find x and y individually, okay? So choice A is the answer. Here is number 10. That is a formula, okay? Literal equations. So we're going to express y in terms of b and c. First, we can check it out where is the a. Here is the a. Another a over here. We need to combine these to a, okay? So multiply by a both sides, you got this 2ab minus 5 equals to a times c. To combine this one, we're going to move this one the other side, okay? 2ab minus ac equals, I'm going to move constant to the right, 5. Now we got a in the same side, a is out, 2b minus c equals 5. After that, you can divide 2b minus c, okay? Choice D is the answer. Here is number 12. You have a system of equations, okay? Y is less than 0. Oh, that already we got this one. Now, 8 and y is the solution, okay? So put this number in here. We're going to find something, okay? So when x is 3, x is 8, y is still negative, but this one should be greater than 20, right, at these times. So this is 24. Move this one the other side, negative 24, right? So y should be greater than negative 4. Satisfy this one, okay? So y is less than 0, but greater than negative 4, right? Any numbers between these two, okay? So that is not working. This is not working, not equal sign there. Negative 1 is correct, okay? Inside numbers. All right, number 14. We have a linear function over here. So f of 3 is 10, f of 7 is how much? Maybe we can use the slope slope is a constant in the linear equations. Slope is 10 over here, okay? Maybe you can use, this is the point, 3 and 10. That's the one point. The other point over here, when x is 7, y is y, okay? Left this way. This is the value of y, okay? F of 7. So you can use the slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That must be equals to 10, right? So y minus 10 equals, this is 4 times 10 is 40, okay? So y equals 50 is okay? This is the value of this one. Or you can use the equation. Put this number in there when x is 3, y is 10. Y is 10, x is 3. 10 times 3 is 30 plus b. At this time, you can find the y-intercept. B equals 1 negative 20. I put this number there, f of x now, 10x and minus 20. That's the equation. But this point, when x is 7, what is the value of y, okay? Put this number, x is 7. 70 minus 20 equals 50. Okay, you can use either of this, okay? Here is number 16. P defines this, but they are perpendicular, right? You know the perpendicular slope. They are negatively reciprocal each other. Okay. Okay, what's the slope of this one? Okay, find slope. 3y equals negative 21x and plus 11. Divided by 3, negative 7x plus 11 over 3. That's the slope over here. Second one, by equals, move to the right, negative ax and plus 11 over 3. Y equals negative a over b x plus 11 over 3b. Okay, this is another slope. But they are perpendicular. The slopes are negatively reciprocal. So negative a over b must be equals to what is that? Negative reciprocal of this one is 1 over 7, right? But we're going to find this one. Okay, always. Okay, focus. What is being asked? B over A, not A over B. Okay, from here, A over B equals negative 1 over 7. B over A is reciprocal. Okay, flip the numbers. B over A, okay, it's reciprocal. What is that? Negative 7 is that, okay? You gotta be careful. All right, number 18. You have a triangle. These two lines are parallel, is said. That means what? This angle equals this one, corresponding angles, another corresponding angles, they are similar, right? So you can say this and this large one, they are similar. A corresponding side is 5 to 15. 1, 2, 3, right? 5 to 15 equals 1 to 3. This height is k, the other height 3 times 3k. This 3k equals 21, isn't it? That's right. Okay. So k equals 7. This is 7. This height equals 21. That's it. Another 21 minus 7, right? 14. We don't need this one. We need only this 14. So what is the area of this quadrilateral, which is a trapezoid? 5 plus, the bottom is 15. The height is now 14. Divide by 2, right? This is 1. This is 7. 20 times 7 is 140. This is the area of that quadrilateral, okay? Here is number 20. Okay, x, y, z, similar RSD. Corresponding vertices over here. Okay, x, y, z is the RSD, okay? And RS is smaller one. Okay, maybe you can use this is the big one, x, y, z, smaller one, RSD, something like that, right? They are similar. Okay, x, y, RS is a corresponding side. Okay, that's right. This corresponding side is ratio of the length is 5 to 2, right? So the area of this one is 50. I'm going to use the bracket that represents area. Okay, what is the area of this one? The ratio of the length is 5 to 2. Ratio of the area similarly is 25 to 2 squared is 4, right? This is A to B. This is A squared to B squared. That's the ratio of the areas. Okay? So 25, 4. If this is 25K, K equals 2, right? So if this is 25K, the other one is 4K, okay? K equals 2, we already know this one. So 4 times 2 equals 8 is the answer, okay? This area is 8. All right, number 22. How many distinct real solutions does this given equation have? This is a quadratic. Okay, use a discriminant. Okay, that is the easiest way. All right, you don't have to use the graph. Okay, or you can use the graph. It doesn't matter. Okay, I'm going to show you how you use the graph. This one. Okay? Anyway, I'm going to use first one. I'm going to use the discriminant. Okay, what is discriminant? B squared minus 4 times AC. Okay, B is negative 3 squared is 9 minus 4 times A is 1/2 and C is 5. This is 9 minus, let me see, 10, right? Negative 1 is less than 0, okay? Discriminant less than 0, there's no x-intercept, no real root, 0, okay? When you make a graph of this, y equals this graph. The graph looks like what? No touch, x-axis. Is it okay? All right. Or you can use like put this number in the graph there. This number over here, okay? Make a graph over here. Y equals, I'm going to do 1.5x squared, okay? And minus 3x and plus 5. Can you see that? There is no x-intercept, okay? The minimum point is 0.5, always greater than 0, okay? So there is no real root. So choice D is that. Okay. Here is number 24. Which of the following equations represent a circle in an xy plane that intersect the x-axis at exactly 1 point? Looks like this one. If this is x-axis, maybe possibly this way or the other side. If this is x-axis. Okay? It may be either of these two cases. So we can check it out. This is the center over here. Center is 8 and negative 5, okay? This center is 8 and negative 5. I'm sorry. Negative 5 is less than 0 here, okay? Better use this one. 8 and negative 5. Y coordinate is negative numbers. But where is the radius? R squared is 64, R is 8. But this is 5, okay? This is 5. Okay, the radius is 5, not 8. That's not working. The next one is 3 and 6. Okay, 3 and 6 is case, okay, 3 and 6. But where is the radius? 6. This radius is 6. That's right. Okay, in this case, they're going to write tangent to the x-axis. Okay, continue a little more. C was 7 and 2. Looks like this one. 7 and 2. Where is the radius? This is radius 2. But this is just 7. They're not equal, okay? 7 is a little more big, okay? They're never tangent to the x-axis, okay? Then this is 5 and 2, 2, okay? This is also 5 and 2. The radius is only 2, right? But this radius is 5. That's not working, okay? Choice B is that. Where is the 26 over here? So we have a data set of 26 integers and summarized in histogram. Okay. So the first one over here, the interval has some characteristics. 10 to 19 is this interval always greater than 10 to 19. The next one is 22, 29, right? Less than 10, less than 30, okay? So this one going to be 32, 39, and 42, 49, something like that. Okay? So they are integers. Okay? All right. So it can be 10. Okay, in this case, it can be 10 or 11 or up to maximum will be 19. Okay? So what is the difference between the possible greatest mean? and possible smallest mean. Okay, in this case, if they got 19 that is the greatest there, this is the smallest there, right? 10. How much difference? 9, isn't it? 9. Okay. But the frequency is 4. 4 people, they are all what? Maximum difference will be 9, right? So 4 times 9. Plus, second one is also what? 9, right? But how many? 12, okay? 12 times 9. A third one is also the difference is 9, but frequency is 7, right? 7 times 9. What 9 times 7? The next one is what? 2 times 9 again. That is the total difference between what? Greatest there and smallest there in each interval. But we're going to find what? Mean value, okay? You can divide by 26. Okay? Or you can add right this way, 19.4, 19 times 4, and the next one, no, 19, difference is 9, okay. That's the maximum data. Maximum data is 19 times 4, the next one is 29 times 12, 39 times 8, 49 times 2. Minimum 10 will be, right? 10 times 4, and 20 times 12, the next one is 30 times 8, and 40 times 2. You can find, right, sum of this one and find difference. Or after you find, right, the mean value, okay? This one divided by 26, this one divided by 26, and find difference. Okay, you can do that way too, okay? I like this one, okay? It's simple. They all have a 9 there. So inside you have 4 plus, okay, 12 plus, 7 plus, 8 plus, I'm sorry, this is 8. 8 and 2, okay? Over 26. This is 26, right? So cancel out. The difference in the mean value is going to be 9, okay? That is 26, okay. So that's all today, okay? So next time, so test 3, we're going to do odd number, okay? All right, thank you so much. I'll see you next time, okay?